Hello guys, welcome to a new video. In today's video, we're gonna play 3D Fridge. I don't know what's the name. It's right now black screen. Okay, and let's wait. Elephant. Which one is the elephant? The dot? Fill the fridge. Okay. OMG. Okay. Oh no! No! Okay, we need to restart. I'm like so mad. I'm gonna use no, peanut butter doesn't go. I'm gonna use these. Sodas are not healthy. Okay, we got it. Okay, how much times are we gonna do this? Hopefully, we already messed up right there, but that's fine. That's just one spot. Nice. Okay. No! Okay. Good. Okay. We should never eat soda, but okay. I'll just at least put soda. Okay. No! Okay. We'll just put the peanut butter. No! This is really satisfying. Wow, this is so satisfying, seriously. Guys, count how many. Yes. Fridge done. Level 1 successfully. Oh my god. Go 100, yeah. Okay. I wish you could. Okay. Let's go. No. I really, when we're trying to do a video, we always get an ad. I'm so sorry. When? Okay. So what should we put? Elfie things go first. Wow. Oh my gosh. This actually looks so fantastic. If I went... No! Okay. There. No! Okay. Actually... Okay. A. Okay. Oh no, okay, let's not use the most unhealthy food. Okay. Okay, over here. I love this game so much. I don't really see that. I like to say all the videos. I love this game so much. Why do they look so fake? Okay, make sure to comment and subscribe. Make sure to comment what games should I check out next. Seriously. What games do you have in common? Bruh. need to do this. Oh no, there's some more things. So bruh. Thanks. Okay. How much? Count how many ads this year. Remember this video? So many ads. Okay, that looks actually good. Because I say I can smell that from all the way here. Nice. Okay. Bruh. Great. Okay, I think that's alright. All the baskets are done. Okay, that's good. Not now, right now. Okay, that's enough ads for today, and we're not gonna do any more ads. $100. Can grab before $100. Okay, should we do it? How many minutes have it been now? 7 minutes is okay. We have time for one more. Brew. How many times did I mess up now? Help me right now. That's enough ads. That is enough ads. That is enough ads. Like and subscribe and put the bell so you never miss another video. And comment what game should I use next. Bye.